How to enable intrusion and cross-line detection in UNV-Link user apps. Log into UNV-Link user mobile app via username and password. Now select the NVR. Choose the camera that you want to enable intrusion detection. Now select the camera setting. From the menu, go to Alarm Detection. Select Intrusion Detection and enable it. Now go to Detection area. Now click on plus sign and set detection area and save it. How to enable cross-line detection. From Alarm Detection, select Cross-Line Detection. Enable Cross-Line Detection. Select Detection Area. Select plus sign, draw cross-line detection, and save it.